Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I will show you how to design this in Photoshop. And without wasting time, let's get into it. Start by giving our project a name. You follow these settings, and when you are done you click OK. Awesome. Okay, what we are going to do first is to work on the background. So let's go to our gallery. I'm going to drag this one in and place it here. Alright, let's increase it. So we are not done, we still go back to our gallery and we are going to drag this one in. Drag it in. Place it here. One more thing, we still go back to our gallery again. Then we are going to drag this one, we are going to drag it in. Place it like this. Then we are going to place it under this. Yes. So we drag it Ctrl 2. Scale it a bit. It is fine like this. Then we drag it to this side. Awesome. I think it's cool like this. We go back to our gallery again. Then we are going to pick this last. This one, the sand. Then let's increase it a little. Drag it to this side. Awesome. So after achieving this, we go ahead and group it. Ctrl G, then name it let's say temple. Alright, so we can now go ahead and start working on text. Still on our keyboard, then click this side. So let's go to our text. We start by this happy. Ctrl V, Ctrl A, then we change the color to black. Change it to black. Pick black here. Okay. So I'm using Montserrat font, but for this one I will use, instead of black, I will use medium. And I will change the size to 35 or 35. Yeah. Awesome. Click OK. Ctrl H on my keyboard, then V on my keyboard. I'm going to drag it to this side. Yes. I want everything to align to this side. I'm going to duplicate this. I will duplicate it by pressing Alt on my keyboard and drag it down. Yeah, with that I've used that to duplicate it. Then I'm going to edit it. Go to our text. Then I'm going to copy this. Ctrl C to copy. Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl A to select all. And I'm going to give it 50 font. I'm going to change it to extra bold. Awesome. Click. But instead of black, I'm going to change the color from black to red. I have the color code here. Let me go to our test. So this is the color code I'm using. It's red. Control A to select, V to paste, OK, then click OK, mark here. Awesome. So I'm going to duplicate this as well. I will press Alt on my keyboard and I'm going to drag it. So with that, I've duplicated it. Edit, then go to our test again. Then I'm going to copy this. Control V to paste. Control A to select all. Then I'm going to change the font, the size to 10 or 11. Let's say 11. 11 should be better. Awesome. Let me go to the property. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. I'm fine. In school. Click OK. I'm going to drag it here to this side. Fantastic. So it remains one more thing. Let me duplicate this. Press Alt on your keyboard and drag this. Now I'm going to duplicate it. Ctrl A to select all, to edit. Go to text and copy this. Thanks for choosing us. Then I will go back and I will paste it. Ctrl V to paste. I will Ctrl A to select all. Then I will change this one to black. Change it to black. Fine. Awesome. I'm still going to change the color later to white. Well, let me leave it like this for now. Then I will come over here. You on my keyboard, or I go to this side to pick. So I want to form a rectangle. Yes. Nice. What you do next is to click on this. Press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on this side to select. Then I will select this. Make sure that you are on move to, then click on this side, then click on this. So I want to centralize it around the rectangle. So when that is done, click on Ctrl D on your keyboard to deselect. Then I'll change this color to white. Now let me do it. FFFFF. Nice. Awesome. Then Ctrl H and make sure that everything is properly aligned to my taste. For now, I'm cool with this. So let's group our work. Let's group it. Ctrl G to group. Then I will name it test. Awesome. So one more thing before we proceed. Click on new layer. Then be on our keyboard. Make sure you pick this foreground color. This is the color code that we used the other time. So I will change the flow to to 1000, 200. The flow to 100, the opacity also to 100. Then I will click on this side. Awesome. Let me double tap. Let me click on it again. Then I will change the blending option to linear dodge add. Awesome. I want to achieve something like this around it. So I will duplicate it. Ctrl J to duplicate. V. Then I will drag it here. Ctrl J to duplicate. Awesome. Ctrl J to duplicate. Awesome. Let me group this. Let's group it. Ctrl G. Then limit low. Awesome. Alright. So go to our keyboard again. Go to our gallery, and I'm going to pick our logo. Paste it here. I will reduce the size to the level that I want, and I will place it here. Let me reduce it a little bit. Okay. Alright. Place it here. I'll go to this side. Then I will go to color layout. So I want to give it the same color. It's exactly the same color. The red color that we are using. So I'm giving it the same color. Awesome. Then we are done. So the last thing we are going to do is to merge everything together. We click by clicking Alt Ctrl Shift E in our keyboard. Ctrl Shift E. So after doing that, convert it to Smart Object. Then we go to Camera Raw. Camera Raw, the shortcut is Ctrl Shift A, Ctrl Shift A on our keyboard. With this, we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section and let me know how you feel about this design. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. I'll see you in my next video, and bye for now.